Okay, thank you so much. Yun, yung bar nila closed, no? Kaya meron silang announcement po. And, of course, no, yan po ang ating pangalan. No? We've been actually here for 5 days at Conrad, Bangkok. Ito po yung mga magagandang makikita nyo po sa... Uy, my God. Wait a minute. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang toilet. Saan ka pa? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanilang toilet. Ang ganda ng kanilang sink for ang mga previous nila. O, tingnan niyo po. No? We have a toothbrush. No? And iklabush. Excuse me. Meron silang ganito. Pwede tayo mag-ano dito. While having... okay. Wow. My God. This is so much. But I would prefer actually to see my surroundings with green luscious than towering buildings. Yun po. And of course, ito ang mga paintings nila. And then the room. And wow. Have you seen that revolving Long Live the King? That's Bayok Sky Tower Hotel. Hello, Ma'am Grace. I am here at Conrad Hotel. Ang ganda, sobra. So beautiful in the world. Ito po yung kanilang room sa loob po ng Conrad Hotel. Ang gaganda, no? Halimbawa, kung may online class, actually may online class ako, so I can do it here on Tuesday. And they have the sleepers, no? Have the extra pillow. Yan po. We're gonna stay here. No, I'm going to stay here for 4 days. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman. Okay. This is water. I think this is ice. Okay. What is this for? Okay, they have the green tea. This one, okay. Wow, I have that. And of course, this they have the heater. And they have the small fridge. Sa langgit. Okay. That's a connecting door. If you would like to get a double room for a family, pwede po yan. They have the connecting door. Yan po. Yung mga wardrobe nyo, dyan malagay. They have also the vote, Ay, mamaya ang ating mga kapirahan dyan yan pupunta. And And what else? Ang ganda. Ay, my God, ito na. Hinahanap ako para bukas. So they have that as well. Okay, thank you so much. No? And ito pa. Dito po tayo. Kita nyo po. Yan. Ang ganda. My appointment tomorrow is around 6:45 in the morning. And the place is just 5 minutes away by foot. No, by foot talaga from this hotel that we checked in. Okay, that's all for now, folks, and see you. This is Conrad Hotel Bangkok here in Wattay Road, near the American Embassy Bangkok. Maraming salamat.